Welcome to Entechvia, your gateway to the world of technology, engineering, and innovation. On this channel, you'll find clear, practical, and engaging content covering electrical engineering computer science, and technology mechatronics, and automation electronics and control systems, solar energy and renewable technologies, engineering fundamentals and industrial applications. Whether you're a student, technician, engineer, or technology enthusiast, Entechvia is designed to help you learn, build, and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of engineering and technology. Learn, innovate, engineer the future. Subscribe and join the Entechvia community.